Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Nursing Tricks. I hope you all are doing well and you have watched my last video in which I have already started with the topic that is growth and development in infant, and there I have just given you the introduction and we have covered the biological development of the infant. And dear friends, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification of latest videos from my channel. So in continuation of the previous video that in which I have already started with the growth and development of infant, dear friends, you will find lots of questions from this particular topic. So I request you all to please view this video till end. So without wasting the time, I am starting here, and in this video you will be just seeing the growth and development of a newborn. So starting off with the topic. So here I am just covering a newborn, and we know the newborn period is from the birth till 28 days of life. Okay, so I will be covering it with like physical growth and the motor development and language development, social development. So what all things occur and what all growth occurs in a newborn period, it is very important. I am again and again focusing on this particular point. So now physical growth, if you talk about the weight, so what happens at the birth weight? So birth weight, average birth weight is 2.5 kg. It is of India, but if you will read the books from the foreign author, there you will find that the average birth weight is given as a 3.5 kg. So it differs from the country to country, but we are studying in India, so that is why I am just focusing what is the average birth weight of a newborn in India. So dear friends, it is 2.5 kg. Now coming on to, it decreases, the birth weight decreases by 10% in first 10 days. So just remember the rule of 10-10. So it decreases by 10% in the first 10 days of life, and then it increases at the rate of 500 to 600 gram per month during first 6 months. I hope this concept is clear to you. Please don't forget. And many a times if you are working in a clinical areas, you will find that mothers will complain that in first 10 days the weight of their newborn, it is decreasing. So dear friends, you should know the concept behind it so that you can explain them and you can give counseling to them. Okay, moving on to the length. So at the birth, the length of a newborn, it is 45 to 50 centimeter, and you can take an average of it by just 45 plus 50 divided by 2. You can take an average. It increases approximately 2 to 2.5 centimeter per month. 2 to 2.5 centimeter per month during first 6 months. So here you have seen that the increase in the weight, it is 500 to 600 gram per month, and if you are talking about the length, it is increasing 2 to 2.5 centimeter during first 6 months. Now moving on to head circumference. At birth, it is approximately 33 to 35 centimeter. Dear friends, if you know the range of any parameter, you can calculate the average of it. Okay, and it increases at the rate of 1.5 centimeter per month during first 6 months. So here remember, it is 1.5 centimeter, it is 2.5 centimeter, and this is 500 to 600 grams. Now chest circumference, it is 31 to 33 centimeter at the time of birth. Why I am again and again focusing and marking a line on these values? Because in the question you will get the question like this only, that average birth weight of a newborn, and you will be given 4 options for that particular stem, and you have to mark the correct answer. Okay, so that is why I am again and again marking it with a red line. Moving forward. Yes. So now coming on to the pulse rate. So pulse rate, it is 130 plus minus 20 beats per minute. So it is plus minus 20. So 130 plus minus 20. Respiration, it is 35 plus minus 10 per minute. And then blood pressure, it is 80 by 50 plus minus 20 by 10 mm of Hg. I hope this pulse rate, respiration and blood pressure of a newborn is clear to you. Now moving on to the reflexes. Dear friends, here I would like to emphasize that you will find a separate video on the reflexes in which I will be showing you all the reflexes, so that you will never ever forget what reflex comes when and what when it disappears. Okay, so here I will just read out that what all reflexes you can see in a newborn. So baby has well developed sucking, rooting, swallowing and extrusion reflex. Sucking, rooting, swallowing and the extrusion reflex. And baby also has Moro's tonic neck reflex and the crossed extensor reflex. So I hope these reflexes you will remember and you will not mark the wrong answer in your question paper. Moving forward to the motor development. So till here we have seen the physical growth, in which we have seen the height, weight, length, we have seen the chest circumference, we have seen the pulse rate, blood pressure, and we have seen the basic reflexes that are there or that are present in the newborn. Moving forward, that is motor development. Here we will see, so the gross motor development and the fine motor development. Now dear friends, we should know the difference between the gross motor and fine motor. What is the difference? So if you want to know the difference between these, please go and watch the video in which I have just introduced the topic growth and development of the infancy. There I have told you what exactly is the difference between the gross motor and the fine motor. So in gross motor lies in a flex position with hands clenched. So flex position is when all the extremities are very close to the newborn's body. So turns head when in the prone position. If you will just put the newborn in a prone position, they will turn the head to one side. Okay. Head lags. So head lag is present in a newborn. What is head lag? Head lag is whenever you are just changing the position from supine to sitting position. Again repeating, supine to sitting position, that time you can see head lag in a newborn. Now coming on to the fine motor. So grasp reflexes present, and baby can grasp the object, yes, but they will drop them immediately. Please do remember this. Okay, moving forward. Coming on to the sensory development. What happens in a sensory development? They have protective blinking reflex. It is present here. And they have indefinite stare at surrounding, but only if it is there in their line of vision. It's not that if you will move an object from left to right and right to left and you will take away the object from their line of vision, they will not be able to focus on that particular object. Now moving on to the language development. They startles on noises. If you will just clap very close to the newborn, they will give a startle reflex to you. Then they will respond to human voices and especially to their mother voices, and make comfort sounds during feeding. You can see this if you have a newborn at your home. They make a very comfort sound whenever they are breastfeeding. They begins to coo. So I hope sensory development and language development you will not forget. Moving forward. Now let's come to some of the senses, that is newborn senses: touch, vision, hearing, taste, smell. The question can be like this: which is the most organized and which one is the first sense to come up in a newborn? So let's see in the next slide. Moving forward. Okay, so touch, highly developed sense, highly developed sense. Remember, mostly at lips, tongue, ears and forehead, and the newborn is usually comfortable with the touch, and that too the touch of a mother. Then vision, pupils react to light. Bright light appears to be very unpleasant. So here I would like to emphasize that please, if you have a newborn at home or if you are just giving a counseling to a mother, so you should give this counseling also, that bright light, it is a very unpleasant to a newborn infant. So just try to decorate the room with the not with the bright light. Follow objects in the line of vision. Okay, moving forward. Hearing, the newborn infant usually makes some response to the sound from birth, and here you can see this is the first sense that develops in a newborn. They start to hear well before 10 days of life. So where are they 10 days before their life? They are in the womb. They are inside their mother's womb. Okay, so hearing is the first sense that develops in a newborn. Next is taste. It is well developed as bitter and sour fluids are resisted. And smell, only evidence in newborn infants search for nipple as he or she smell the breast milk. So in today's In this video, we have seen milestones of a newborn, in which we have covered the physical growth, the reflexes, motor development, sensory development, language development, and various senses that are developed in a newborn. So I hope that this video and this topic, that is growth and development of newborn, is clear to you. Any doubt, you can comment. This floor is open for you all, and if you have not subscribed and not shared this link with your friends, please do it. And yes, I request you all, please watch these videos till end so that you clear all your doubts. Okay, so with this I am just signing off, and thank you so much.